Tent. It's cramped, crappy, cold, but also hot for some reason. Not like the CRUA XTENT. It's tough, lightweight, built to go anywhere. But the best part? It extends. Whether you love some space in the outdoors, or you just want to put on your pants like a regular person, the XTENT is truly for the smart camper. With an open and airy top, your XTENT is perfect for both chilling in the sun and stargazing. But strategically designed to keep the bugs out. Not like this guy over here. Ouch. When it's time to relax, XTENT has you covered. Literally. Simply place on the XTENT's fly sheet, which even has a door that becomes a porch. And yes, this also extends. When another smart camper arrives with their XTENT, they connect together. Year-round camping fun. And if the wind picks up or it's time to wind down, simply lower the XTENT to guarantee a safe night's sleep. The best of both worlds. Speaking of sleeping great, add the CRUA cocoon, and you'll always wake feeling refreshed, no matter the weather. Our patented technology is 19 times warmer than your average tent, and is climate-controlled, meaning never too cold or too hot. The XTENT has convenient pockets for keeping your valuables safe, plus 2 types of wet gear storage, perfect for your hillside hikes. With CRUA's new rain harvesting system, you can save water and keep hydrated using your XTENT. There's LED lighting for evening hangouts, and the XTENT is even solar compatible, meaning you never have to leave. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for the beach, the mountainside, festivals, or even the backyard. The XTENT is made by CRUA, creators of the world's toughest tents. With a 5-star Trustpilot rating and 7 successful crowdfunding campaigns, you're in safe hands. CRUA use only the highest quality materials, waterproof, durable, and sleek. Like all other great CRUA products, it comes with a 2-year warranty. Yep, guaranteed quality. So, you found the perfect tent that extends. It's warm in winter, cool in summer, and connectable. It's perfect for stargazing, chilling, and hiking, and packed with bonus features like extra pockets, LED lighting, rainwater harvesting, and solar compatibility. Yep, this really is the tent for the smart camper. It's time to upgrade your camping experience and back the CRUA XTENT today.